Did you know that pumpkins are native to North America? Well, now that fall is upon us, I feel inspired to create everything pumpkin. Let's go home and bake a pumpkin pie. Hi ETT squad, we just got back from Epcot, and as you can see, we already showed you the ratatouille video. Now we're making our pumpkin pie dish. It's so delicious. Oh, and my sous chef is right behind me, Lovey the Stormtrooper.
Welcome, citizens.
We're gonna do every country a different dish, a different rustic dish for the World Showcase. We're gonna start with their pumpkin pie, the pie crust. It's really easy. I was intimidated before, but what do you think? The Stormtrooper, he helped me. He did the whole thing. Let's start. We're gonna start off with 2.5 cups all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix these 3 ingredients first. Make sure you mix the ingredients really good. Now we're gonna add the cold butter. Add 1 cup of butter cut in cubes. Cut them in small pieces. And make sure it's cold. It has to be cold, right, Lovey? Mm-hmm. Lovey the Stormtrooper.
Who's in charge here?
We definitely want to make easy recipes. Make it as easy as possible.
Easy as pie.
Easy as pie, right? See how it's starting to crumble?
Mm-hmm.
You can see the butter and with the flour mixing up together.
Okay, I want these little granular size. Oh yeah, looking good.
You gonna add the cold water now?
Yep.
Yeah, keep it on low, not on high, because you don't wanna.
I'll bring in 4 to 8 tablespoons. Ice cold water.
Ice cold water, right? 4 to 8 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3. 1 more. 4.
I think they're there.
Hmm?
They're there.
You have to mix it now, put it all together.
Now we gotta ball it up into a little dough. Alright.
Now you're gonna put it in the refrigerator for over 1 hour or more. We're gonna put a little, keep it in there a little bit more.
At least an hour, up to 3 days.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you know what I need to do?
Wow, that's doing a good job. This is gonna do the job.
Alright, so I need to basically make this about 14 inches.
Gonna come out good, isn't it?
She said,
All right, now we're gonna put it in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. Is it refrigerator or freezer? For the yeah, put it in the freezer for 15 minutes. 15 minutes. We'll see you in a little bit.
Yeah, we're gonna do a quick bake.
All right, so we're gonna do a quick bake. We're gonna bake it in the oven for 15 minutes and then 10 minutes, and then we're just putting black beans in the middle to weigh it down. Crack 2 eggs. This is an easy dish. This pumpkin pie is the easiest pumpkin pie, right, Lovey?
Yep.
You'll see just 2 eggs. A teaspoon of cinnamon.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Half a teaspoon of salt. A can of condensed milk. Do this recipe at your house because it is so delicious. We made last fall we made at least 5 pumpkin pies, didn't we?
So simple.
So simple.
There's other ways to make it, but we like the condensed milk version the best.
It's the easiest dish and it's the most delicious way. Pumpkin puree, 1 can. Now we're gonna mix it all. Mix all the ingredients together. Pour it in the pie shell. That looks delicious. Yeah, so set your oven at 425 degrees. For how long? 45 minutes?
15.
15. Yeah, so we wrap it up in foil. Make sure you wrap the whole pie crust on the side. Wrap it up so that way it doesn't burn. It's been 45 minutes. We're gonna pull out that pumpkin pie out of the oven. God, it smells so good. If we only had smell-o-vision right now. Looks really rustic. Oh, be careful. You have to be careful with the crust on the side. It's a rustic pie. You know this pumpkin pie is going to be delicious. Look at that. Looks so pretty. The pie dish is complete. Look at this, how perfect. Our rustic pumpkin pie. So delicious. Now it's the best part. Let's try it. You want some?
Right here, please.
He wants to eat the whole pumpkin pie. So delicious. Such a perfect pumpkin pie. You guys have to make it. It's so delicious. He'll eat the rest later on.
Affirmative.
So delicious. The whipped cream, the pumpkin, the crust. So delicious. You must try. Love you guys. She'll have some later.